Guys, this is another VPN applications that I've reviewed a bunch of these, and this one here is very not very good. And as you can see here, you only get 3 minutes of connection time, and as well, you do only get 5 minutes of added time. Well, you have to pretty much watch a bunch of ads, which I think is pretty much waste of time. And the application doesn't let you disconnect. Once you try to disconnect the VPN application here, it will pretty much automatically reconnect itself without you doing anything. So it's a very, I would say, bad application. It's far worse than the other application that I've reviewed, which are very similar to this one here. So if you have seen this application on Play Store, which I know most of you already have watched my videos and pretty much download these applications, is to pretty much stay away from this one. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.